Welcome to Daily Insights. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Today's topic, embracing the essence, the transformative power of love in our lives, came to me after a lengthy conversation with a close friend. And as always, he wishes to remain anonymous. Today, I want to discuss a universal force, a feeling that transcends boundaries, cultures, and time. I want to talk to you about love, often sung about, written in poems, and portrayed in countless artworks. Love is not just a mere emotion, it is a fundamental part of our existence. It is a fundamental part of our lives. Think about the most cherished moments of your life. Are they not painted with the brush strokes of love? From a mother's gentle embrace to the supportive words of a friend, love is the invisible thread that weaves our experiences into a tapestry of memories. Love is not just romantic, it is the compassion we show to a stranger, it is the empathy we extend to those in pain, and love is the unspoken bond that connects humanity. Understanding the role of love in our lives is crucial. Love is the lens through which we can view the world with kindness and empathy. Our differences begin to fade when we know that at our core, we all seek love and connection. The barriers we built based on race, religion, or nationality start to crumble under the weight of this universal truth that is love. But why is love important? Love is important because it is the antidote to the isolation and division that plagues our modern day society. Love reminds us of our shared humanity in a world where we are increasingly connected digitally, but emotionally distant and disconnected. Love encourages us to look beyond ourselves, to care for others, and to work towards a world where everyone feels valued and understood. Love also has the power to heal. Love is a balm for the wounds that life inflicts upon us. In moments of despair, love gives us the strength to rise again. It teaches us resilience and compassion and the importance of vulnerability. Is to experience the full spectrum of human emotion and truly understand what it means to be alive. In conclusion, I urge you to embrace love in all its forms. Let love guide your actions and your interactions. And I want you to remember, love accurately measures a life well lived in a world that often prioritizes material success and individual achievement. Love is the legacy we leave behind and our imprint on others' hearts. Understanding and embracing love is not just important, it is essential for a fulfilling and meaningful life, a life lived with purpose. Until next time on Daily Insights, thank you and blessings always.
A collision with purpose, in pursuit of purpose.